Let's create together a natural pH indicator while in the kitchen using a red cabbage. Let's take some leaves of red cabbage, about 65 grams. Now let's chop it into small pieces. Take your time to slice it nicely and thin, as smaller pieces will release more of the natural color later on. Once it's all fine sliced, we can carefully transfer it into a cooking pot. Next, we add exactly 270 milliliters of plain water right over the cabbage. Give it a quick stir with a spoon to make sure every single piece is well submerged. Now let's place the pot onto our induction cook pot, turn it on and let it cook for about 30 minutes. You will slowly see the water changing color. After boiling, we take it off the heat, place it on a coaster and let it cool down and sit for about 20 to 25 minutes. As you can see, the water temperature has dropped significantly, makes it safe to handle. Next, we prepare a clean glass and use a kitchen strainer to separate the soy cabbage pieces from our liquid. Pour it gently and use a spoon to press out every last drop of this beautiful deep purple juice. This liquid contains natural pigments that react and change color depending on the acidity of whatever substance we mix them with. To see this magic in action, let's divide the purple liquid evenly into 3 small shot glasses so we can test different reactions. In the first glass, we squeeze in some lemon juice, mix it well and watch it instantly turn into a bright, beautiful pinkish red, which indicates a strong acid. Moving on the second glass, we add some apple vinegar. Notice how it turns the solution into a darker purplish red. This shows that it's a milder acid compared to the lemon. Finally, the third glass is plain as our neutral contour group, and there you have it: lemon juice, apple vinegar and neutral water.